ultimate route to JEE success with JEE Test Prep app by Extramarks, adaptive testing platform, India's top faculty, micro-scheduling, live and recorded sessions, doubt-solving sessions, national level weekly tests, analytics and reports. Download the app now.
Hello students, this is Dhanakumar. Today I am going to discuss about sequence and series. Sequence and series is one of the important concept in 11th standard. Using concepts or formulas in this chapter, problems also there in trigonometry in some other concepts. Now let us see concepts in sequence and series. Now today I am going to discuss about sequence, the definition of sequence, finite sequence, infinite sequence, series, progression, and definition of AP. Now, first of all, coming to sequence. What is meant by sequence? A sequence is ordered list of objects. A sequence is ordered list of objects which can be numbers, letters, names, etc. Or otherwise, we can say in another way also, a succession of numbers. A succession of numbers, for example, some T1, T2, T3, so on, Tn. A succession of numbers T1, T2, T3, so on, Tn are formed according to some definite rule. Are formed according to some definite rule is called sequence. Here T1, T2, T3, so on are called first, second, third, so on, nth term of the sequence. Alternately, a sequence is a function. A sequence is a function whose domain is set of natural numbers. Whose domain is set of natural numbers and range is set of real numbers. Say for example, see here 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Now you observe this one here 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Here second term is equal to first term plus 2. 1 plus 2, answer is 3. In the same way, third term is equal to second term plus 2. Right? Fourth term is equal to 5 plus 2, 7. Here, each term of the sequence can be obtained by adding 2 to the preceding term. Each term of the sequence can be obtained by adding 2 to the preceding term. That is one example of sequence. You see one more example. Say for example 1, 5, 4, 10, 11, so on. Now here you observe this one. 1, 5, 4, 10, 11, so on is not a sequence because its terms have not been written according to some definite rule. So we cannot find its 8th term or 10th term or etc. etc. So it is not a sequence. So here sequence means what? Now finally a succession of numbers T1, T2, T3, so on are formed according to some definite rule. According to some definite rule is nothing but sequence. Or alternately we can say one way also. A sequence is a function. Sequence is a function whose domain is set of natural numbers and range is set of real numbers. Based on the number of terms, there are two types of sequences. One is finite sequence and second one is infinite sequence. See here, finite sequence and infinite sequence. I think similar word it is there in sets also. Finite set, infinite set. Finite set means what? Right. Finite set is a set which consists of finite number of elements. Infinite means set which contains infinite number of elements. Then that set is called infinite set. In the same way, here you see finite sequence. A sequence having finite number of terms. Finite number of terms is called finite sequence. A sequence having infinite number of terms is called infinite sequence, right? Say for example, you see 1, for example 0, some 4, 3, 0, 1, something is there like this, okay, or 1, see finite sequence I am telling, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here you observe this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I wrote only 5 terms. That is finite number of terms. So sequence having finite number of terms, then the sequence is called finite sequence. Suppose if I'm writing like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. See here, so on. We don't know that last term. So then that sequence is called infinite sequence. Right. Now let us coming to next one, that is called series. Series means what? Now you see here, by adding or subtracting the terms of a sequence, we get an expression which is called series. By adding or subtracting the terms of a sequence, we get an expression which is called series. For example, A1, A2, A3, so on, AN is a sequence. Then the expression A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so on, AN. See here, I wrote plus symbol. So what I told, by adding or subtracting, the terms of a sequence, we get an expression which is called series. Right. Now this is called series. Say for example 1 plus, see previous finite sequence I wrote 1, 2, 3 like that only. Here I am writing plus symbol. See 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus, 5. See here I wrote only plus symbol. So this is called series. Now let us coming to one simple example based on this concept. Find the sum of first 5 terms of the series which is associated with the following sequence. Some condition is there here, an is equal to n minus 2 by 5. Now here calculate what? Sum of first 5 terms of the series. First 5 terms. Right. Let us coming to solution. Here first n is equal to 1, you substitute a1. N is equal to 1 substitute. So answer will be what? 1 minus 2 by 5. That is equal to 1 minus 2. Answer is minus 1. So right here minus 1 whole divided by 5. Right. Then coming to next one, second term, a2. Here put n is equal to 2. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is right 0. So 0 by 5. 0 by 5 is 0. Then coming to next one is third term, that is put n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to n is equal to 3, substitute 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 by 5. The next put n is equal to 4. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So answer will be 2 by 5. Then here I am writing. Next put n is equal to 5. So A5 is equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So write here 3 by 5. Right. Now here I found first A1. N is equal to 1. N is equal to 2. So on. N is equal to 5, substitute. Finally we got these values. Now series means what I told, add, plus symbol write down. So first answer is what here we got, minus 1 by 5, plus next answer 0, plus next answer 1 by 5, next answer is 2 by 5, and then last one is 3 by 5. That is the answer for this question. Right. Now let us coming to next, progression. Right. I think progression, that word also there in 10th or 9th class. Now here also you see sequence whose terms follow certain pattern are called progression. Sequence whose terms follow certain pattern is called progression. Example, sequence of all even natural numbers. Say for example, even natural numbers. Even number starts with what? 2. So write here 2, next 4, next 6, next 8, so on. Right. So this is what series. Sequence means you write 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma so on. But here follow certain pattern. These are all what? Even natural numbers. That is called progression. Now let us coming to first type of progression. First one is arithmetic progression. Short form arithmetic. First letter A. Progression P. So it is simply we will write AP. Right. Arithmetic progression is a sequence whose terms increases or decreases by a fixed number. Here arithmetic progression is what? Is a sequence whose terms increases or decreases by a fixed number. This fixed number is called common difference. Fixed number is called common difference. Let us see. I am taking A is the first term and D is the common difference. Then AP can be written as first write A. Then after that, here what I do, D is the common difference I wrote. So add D to this first number. Then answer will be A plus D. Again add D. A plus D plus D. D plus D. Answer is 2D. So A plus 2D. The next term will be what? Preceding term plus common difference D. So A plus 2D plus D. A plus 3D and so on. Right. Now here you observe this one. A. First term is A. Second term is A plus D. See. First term is A. And second term is A plus 2D. Third term is A plus 2D. Right. First term A can be written as A plus 0 into D. Second term is A plus D. A plus D. Here observe this one. This can be written as a plus 0 can be written as 1 minus 1 into d, and a plus d can be written as a plus 2 minus 1 into d, and a plus 2d can be written as a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Right? Now observe this one. First term 1 I wrote, second term 2, third term 3. Right? First term 1, second term 2, third term 3. Then automatically nth term you write n. So nth term will be what? Here you see in these three examples a is fixed. So in nth term also you write a plus. Here first term 1, second term 2, third term 3. Then obviously nth term will be n. So write here n minus. In every term next number is same. So you write 1 as it is into d. This is called nth term. So nth term of arithmetic progression formula will be a plus n minus 1 into d, and it is denoted by an. And nth term of AP is linear in n. Linear expression means what? N power value is 1. Now you observe in this formula, n power value is 1. So nth term of AP is linear expression in n. Right. Let us coming to one example. Show that the sequence 9, 12, 15, 18, so on is an AP. Find its 16th term and the general term. One problem is there. Here, observe this one. Total 3 questions are there. First, you prove that given problem is in AP. After that, second question is what? Find its 16th term. And third one is find general term. Right? Now, how to prove or how to check whether given problem is in AP or not? How to check whether given problem is in AP or not? Now, observe this one here. First term is 9. Second term is 12. Differences you check it. Second term minus first term. So that is 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9. Answer is 3. Then next you see third term minus second term. These are all called what? First term, second term, third term, fourth term, so on. Now third term minus second term. Here third term is 15 and second term is 12. So answer is 15 minus 12. Answer is 3. Right. Then coming to next one. Fourth term minus third term. Fourth term is 18 and third term is 15. So 18 minus 15, 3. Now observe here, differences are same. If differences are same, then given problem is in AP, arithmetic progression. Right. So given question is in AP. One question completed. Then coming to second one, find its 16th term. See here, find its 16th term or 7th term or 10th term or 100th term, whatever it may be. First write general term. That is, first write nth term formula. Nth term formula is what? Just now we wrote nth term an is equal to, or otherwise you can write tn, term t, starting letter is t. So nth term is denoted by tn. Tn is equal to formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is first term, d is common difference, and n is number of terms. Here we are calculating nth term. Suppose 100th term, put n is equal to 100. 7th term, put n is equal to 7. Now let us coming to this one. First I am calculating 16th term. 16th term. So here first substitute values. A is first term. First term is what in given problem? 9. So write here 9 plus n. N means here we are calculating 16th term. So put n is equal to 16. So 16 minus 1 into d. D is common difference. Here you observe this one. What we got? Common difference is 3. So write here 3. And then simplification. 9 plus 16 minus 1. 15. 15 3s are right 45. And then answer 45 plus 9 is equal to 54. Right? So second question answer, that is 16th term answer is equal to, we got here 54. Then next calculate what? General term. So general term means see here just now we wrote nth term formula. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So first write a value. A is equal to 9. Common difference is 3. So write here a is equal to 9 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 3. So that is equal to simplification. Expand this bracket 3 into n. 3n. Next 3n. 3 into 1, 3. Minus 3 plus 9. Minus 3 plus 9 answer is what? Right, 6. So general term answer is what? 3n plus 6. Here you observe this one. N power value is 1. So what I told, nth term in arithmetic progression is first degree term in n, that is linear expression in n. So here we got n power value is 1 only. Right. Let us coming to next find sum of 6 terms of the AP. Previously we found 16th term or otherwise nth term, general term we found. Now here find sum of 6 terms of the AP. Here 6 is anyhow simple number only. 2 methods are there. One is here anyhow given question 3 terms are there. You identify remaining 3 terms. How to identify? 4th term find using previous general term formula. 5th term find. Next 6th term find. Then add all 6 values. Add all 6 values. Then problem is over. Suppose here 6 terms only. Then easy. Suppose calculate 100 terms. Or calculate 200 terms. At that time write all 100 terms or all 200 terms, then add all the values. I think little bit difficult. So that is why you write some formulas in this concept. Now what is the formula for sum of n terms in AP? Sum of n terms in AP. Sum starting letter is what? S. So it is denoted by Sn is equal to sum of n terms in AP is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of n terms in AP formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is what? n is number of terms. Here calculate how many terms? 6 terms. So put n is equal to 6. Put n is equal to 6. Then next, what is A? A is first term. So A is equal to here condition 3. So right here A is equal to 3. Next, what is D? D is common difference. Common difference is equal to, here you see second term minus first term, 7 minus 3, 4. 11 third term minus second term, 11 minus 7, again answer is what? 4. So common difference is equal to 4, right? Now substitute all three values in given problem. So sum of 6 terms denoted by x6 is equal to n by 2, 6 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5 into common difference is 4. So 6 by 2, answer is 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 5 4s are 20. So that is equal to 3 into 26. 3 into 26. So what is the answer for 3 into 26? Multiply here. 26 3s are right. So answer will be what? 78. Okay. So sum of 6 terms. Here 6 is simple value. If you want, we can do like this also. You find 4th term, 5th term, 6th term, then you add. But in case of 100 terms, 200 terms, it is little bit difficult to write all 100 terms and then add all the 100 terms. So at that time, better you go for this formula, right? Now in next class I will explain some another topic that is called properties of arithmetic progression, right? Thank you.
For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to Extramarks Test Prep YouTube channel.